everybody, and happy Valentine's Day, and maybe this will make your sweetie, male, female, happy. We are going to put together a strawberry brown truffle sugar-free. That's right, it's sugar-free. Let me show you what I used. I used the Pillsbury sugar-free brownie mix, and it's a brownie mix, yum. Okay, for total sugars, it's 0, but it has sugar alcohol 10, right there. Then I used a family size of sugar-free pudding mix, and here it is here. So I am going to show you how we're doing this. I have strawberries already sliced up. And I want to show you something that I used. I used this pan here, still a little wet because I did the dishes. Fits exactly 9 brownie squares. Exactly 9. Okay? Then I use this slicer right here. My little gadgets, everything's wet. Okay, a slicer, and I use this to quarter it. So I'm gonna bring you down, and we're gonna put this all together, and I'm gonna show you the dessert. Okay, so hold on. Okay, here's everything right here. Now, what I'm going to do first, these are the little brownie pieces. Didn't they come out cute? Look at that. Just gonna cut these up. I thought if I did everything and did a lot of the prep, that would take more time that you could see me putting it together, so I don't have a really long video. I like to keep my videos around 10 to 13 minutes. That's it. My watch time, people don't want to watch long videos. Not on my watch, not on my channel anyways. So we're going to cube this up like this. I'm putting it into bite sizes. Mr. R is going to really like this. Hope we have enough light in here. I didn't use my ring light. I don't know if you guys have a pan like that. Even if you don't, just put it in an 8x8 or 9x9 or 1/4 of a cookie sheet, whatever you got. And the thing is, I had the brownie mix put back in the pantry. I had the pudding mix put back in the pantry. And I had the Cool Whip in the freezer. And the pudding I found in my Hoosier. So the only thing I had to really go out and get was the strawberries. I'm just mixing this up a little bit more. I had it sitting in the refrigerator. It was nice and smooth when it went in. And I think we're gonna put some strawberries on bottom. These strawberries are so small that we're getting, these are Driscoll strawberries, and they're from Mexico. They cost $3 a quart. This one I got at the local grocery store. The last one I got at Martin's, and I really wasn't happy. I'm not Martin's, or yeah, Walmart, I'm sorry. So now we're gonna put a little bit of pudding in. Now we're doing this with a Grammy's twist here. And you guys can make it however you want, but I'm just showing you how I do it my way. Just like that. And then we'll put some brownie bites in. Just little bites, I call them. Just my size, good snacking size. Just like that. Then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna put a couple of dollops here. Just like that. I would have used my other smaller bowl, but I'm using that for decoration for lights right now. And I need another spoon just to kind of smooth this out a little bit. Just smooth it a little bit. Just like that. Okay, now we're gonna put some more strawberries on. So how is everybody? And what are you doing for Valentine's? Anything special? We're not doing anything special. Ray did bring me some flowers home last night, which I thought was very sweet of him. And they went up $5. Can you all believe that? $5. And we're gonna put some brownie bites in. I'll tell you, the market today is just unbelievable. Seems like everybody wants your money. Money, money, honey. Then we're gonna put some more pudding mix in. Look at that, yum. Ray's home today, it's his day off, so he can't wait to try some of this. I kept telling him, you can wait, you can wait. He's playing with Maggie right now, if you hear all the squeaking going on. Yeah, I wish I would have used my smaller one, but my smaller trifle bowl, but hey, you gotta use what you got, right? Use what you got and don't complain about it. There you go, just like that. It's gonna taste really good, especially when Ray doesn't get much for dessert anymore. Okay, and we'll put some more strawberries in, just like this. Good thing is we both like strawberries. That's the biggest part is this, is the strawberry. What would you'd be getting your sugar from. And then we're gonna go and do some more bites. Just like this. Yeah, I'm gonna try to put one small layer on, one more small layer on top. I think what we'll do is we'll clean this right up. Putting it on the side of the bowl, I don't mean to, but hey, it is what it is. Hey, Mr. R, you want to say hi to everybody?
Hello. Maggie says hi too.
Maggie says hi too, okay.
She's having fun.
I know she's having fun, I can hear her. They're both playing chase ball.
She's all done.
She's all done? I believe it. Okay, we're just gonna smooth it up a little.
Oh, is she?
Just like this, we'll pat it down. Don't know what to do with this. I'll stick it here. I don't like messes when I cook. Drives me crazy. How about you all? Does it drive you crazy? There, wipe on the side here. And we're gonna use some more strawberries. Oops, guess we got a little leaf here. We don't want that. Just like this. And then I'm gonna show you something here with the strawberries. This really is very easy to make. Okay. Now, what did I do with it? Right here. Okay, folks, see this right here? I want to show you. Here's a strawberry. You want to put it in this way. And then what you do is you just go down like that. Tip it upside down if you want. And there you go. How cool is that? And then you can slice eggs or what, you can slice them too. It's a 2-in-1. I don't know where I got it. You all probably gonna ask me. Sorry. Can't remember. Well, this isn't gonna work out too bad. And have some more here. Don't worry, folks, I got a reserve. I think I do anyways. I think I do. Push that on top. Just like that. Now, watch what I'm going to do. Like I always say with Grammy, you never know what's going on in her kitchen. Dun, ta-da, da-da-da-da-da. Sugar-free. Look at this. Don't worry, folks. I got a backup. Got a good backup plan. Oh, there. We want to fill it right in, don't we? Now, I wasn't quite sure how I wanted to finish the top off, but I think I'll finish it like this. There you have it. Right there, sugar-free strawberry brownie truffle. Doesn't that look good? And I'm gonna bring you back and we're gonna have Mr. R taste it. So don't go too far. Folks, I thought it would be good if you saw me get down and get Ray a nice piece. Just like this. A little bit of everything. And I am going to give him a strawberry on top. And that's what it's going to look like. Okay, here's Mr. R. He's going down in for the strawberry brownies. And here it is right there. What's that, Ray? Can you tell me what
That's
that
a
is?
strawberry, brownie, whipped cream. There's some pudding in here.
That's right. So give me your honest opinion on what it is.
Oh, there's some strawberries cut up in there too.
Let me
Oh, this
see.
looks good. See the strawberries right there?
I do see the
People?
strawberries.
Oh, viewers, here we go.
Okay.
Looks good. That is good.
That is good.
Yep.
It's good when you don't get much dessert now, isn't it?
Yes, it is. That sugar-free brownie mix is very good. I mean, yeah, probably I could have told the difference. I don't know how long I've been like this, 8 months ago, but now it's good.
Okay, Mr. R, rate me 1 to 10 and be honest.
Do I need brownie points?
No, you don't need any brownie points.
I give it a good 10. It's good.
Is
Real
it a good 10?
Yep.
Okay, folks, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share my videos out. You never know what's going to be on my videos.
Very good.
Stay safe and be kind. And you never know. We'll see you tomorrow. God bless. Bye now.